store. What can I help you with?
Yeah, actually, I'm kind of looking for some ringtones, or text tones, or whatever you want to call them.
Oh, yes. We do have a few of those. How about this one? You like this one?
That's not bad. How much?
How much? $6.99.
You want me to pay $6.99 for one ringtone that I'm gonna listen to for like 0.5 seconds? I might as well just make my own.
Yeah, you make your own. Good luck with that.
You tell me good luck. I know I can do it. Right? Right? He's trying to make his own. No, there's no way. First off, that was cringe. Second off, he's right. We can make custom text tones and ringtones with our iOS devices. And we're literally gonna hop into that in just a second. But first off, I wanna say Happy New Year, guys. 2021 is finally here. Yay. See you later, 2020. That was an awful year. Hopefully this year will be much, much better. And I'm looking forward to it a lot. And a lot of new stuff coming through on the channel. And also just through creators on YouTube and stuff. A lot of new stuff. First off, to start with 2021, the Instagram channel for this YouTube channel has just been launched. You can go find it. My name will be TechX, and or you can look up the username, which is On Time for Gaming, no spaces, no caps, on Instagram. I will also have it linked down below in the description if you want to go see that as well. Please follow. All of the updates will be there whenever we post new videos and anything like that. You can go check it out. Linked below once again. If you are new to the channel as well, please support us. We are on our way to 30 subscribers. Please hit the subscribe button. It's a lot of support for us, and of course it helps the channel grow if you comment down below. But anyway, I'm not going to delay any longer. We are going to figure out, well, not figure it out because I know, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create your own custom ringtones, text tones completely for free on your iOS or iPadOS device. So iPad or iPhone, you can do it right now for free, and I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's hop over to the desk. Alright, so let's hop right into this. As you guys can see my screen here, I'm working on my iPad. I've got it all hooked up to my monitor and stuff like that, but it's all on iPad right now. Listen, if you're doing this on iPhone, it's going to be the complete same when we go over to what we need. So first thing, here's what you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need that sound effect or that text tone that you want to use for your phone or for your iPad or whatever. And then second, you're going to need an app which is called GarageBand, which actually comes with Apple devices. You may not have it installed completely on your phone, so you may have to go in the App Store and then download it from the cloud or whatnot. But you need GarageBand to be on your phone as well. And so you'll have to have a little bit of understanding for GarageBand, but not a lot. And I'll be going over every step you need to do in order to create these text tones and ringtones and whatnot. But first off, let's go ahead and find us a couple sounds that we would like to use. So there's two sites that I'm going to talk about first that are completely free on the internet that you can use to get sounds, which is number one, you can go to YouTube, or let's make it three. You can go to YouTube if you want, and you can, of course, if you know how to convert it to an MP3 format, you can find a song you like and convert it to MP3s, and then you can just download it onto your device and then use that. Or you can go to one of these two sites. So the first site is Bensound, and Bensound creates a bunch of royalty-free music. A lot of it's free, and then a lot of it you have to pay for. So there's some good ones that are free, and it says you can just download it. Like this one here is called Dreams. This is one I'm actually using right now for the video. You can just download it, and then of course once you've downloaded it, you can just put it into GarageBand and work on it. So you can just search through what they have, all these different genres of music. You can just pick it out. If you want a song for like a phone call or something that just sounds really unique or cool, you can do that. But if you want something more technical, like a text tone or a really cool ringtone that has to do with like a movie or a character or something from a show or whatever, something more popular that people would recognize that they heard it, then you're going to want to look at Zedge. So Zedge.net, Zedge.net. They also have an app. I have had a really difficult time using their app. In fact, I don't even have it on my phone because it's just really confusing and it doesn't really work to my liking. And there's some stuff on there you don't need. Anyway, so yeah, Zedge is the #1 spot I look at for doing this. So I'm on Zedge right now. I'm gonna go here to browse now, and of course they have wallpapers and sound effects and everything. And it looks like this one right here is the TikTok meme. Oh no 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 no. I'm assuming that's what it is. Let's see. I'm not gonna hear it, but I'm pretty sure this is what it is. Basically, all you do once you found the sound effect you want, you can either go ahead and search it up in the search bar up here, or you can just pick the one you want. So iPhone ding, text tweet, Tennessee whiskey, whatever these things are. I'm gonna go on oh no no, and then you'll go to download in the top right. You'll hit download, and you're gonna wait 10 seconds for it to begin downloading, just because they're giving kind of like a ad for their app, which means you can go to their app and find it. I've had a really hard time. As soon as the 10 seconds is up, it'll immediately pop up right here that you can download this. Now I know a lot of you guys may be worried that this is a insecure site, or you could be downloading something dangerous onto your device. Do not fear, Zedge is very protective with all that. It is a completely secure site. It is trusted by many, and I completely trust it 100%. Nothing is bad has happened. I've downloaded a lot of stuff from here. I've created a ton of stuff for my sound effects. So I'm gonna go ahead and download oh no 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 no, and go ahead and download that to my device. So I'll hit download, and if you can see up here on the top right, we got the downloads. I have a bunch of other stuff I've been downloading for other projects, but yep, that's my download center. So it's all downloaded right up here, so you can check what's downloaded and what's not. If you click on it, it'll open it up for you. You can listen to it or whatever, but we don't need to do that now. Second step, go to your home screen. You should have GarageBand on your device. So I'm gonna go ahead and open GarageBand. All right, this will open up a project I'm working on right now, but we'll go ahead and just close that out. I've got a lot of different projects that I've been working on right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and create a new one. So in order to create a new project on GarageBand, by the way, this is not my name, so this is my friend's flash drive, and don't get any hints. But anyway, if you go over to the top right here, there's a plus sign. This will be creating a new project, all right? And it's gonna open up all these different pages. We got strings, audio recorder, amp, a bunch of other stuff. The GarageBand's a really good app, and it's completely free, and you can do so much with it. But we're just gonna be using the audio recorder. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and press, click, whatever, tap on that, and open it up. And it's gonna bring this interface up, which we're gonna be using to create our text tone. So we need about 4 to 5 steps in order to do this. This is gonna be really simple, really easy to do. First step is to go over to this little plus symbol on the right and click on it. It says Section A, 8 bars. We're gonna tap on that, and of course it says we can do manual, 8 bars, or automatic. We're gonna go ahead and press on automatic. This will make it to where the song length will be automatic, and we won't have to touch it or anything like that. Once you go back, it's going to say duplicate or add. You can just go ahead and tap outside of it so it goes away. We don't need to worry about it anymore. Now we're going to go ahead and get into making our ringtone. So up here in the top right, we kind of had this infinity symbol, kind of like, that's kind of what I think it is. It's not the infinity, but that's what I call it. You're going to go ahead and click on that. This is the loop area. Right here we have all of the different Apple loops that you can pick from, but we're not going to be worried about that. We're going to go in the top here, it says files. We're going to go ahead and click on files, and I have a bunch of sound effects and audio files that I've downloaded already onto here, but of course ours is not going to be here yet. So how do we get it here? Right here at the bottom it says browse items from the files app. We just downloaded our sound effect to the files app 2 seconds ago. So now we needed to get it out and put it onto GarageBand. So go ahead and hit browse items from the files app, and it brings up all of our recents. So if you just downloaded it, it should be the first thing on your recents page. So you can see here, oh no, is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on it, and it's gonna automatically load it into this section right here in alphabetical order. So I'm gonna go ahead and find it. It's right here. Okay, so go ahead and find yours. It should, if you haven't used GarageBand, it's gonna be the only thing there. You're gonna go ahead and drag it. So hold down until it pops up like an MP3 style here. It drags out, and then you can slide it all the way to the very beginning of your section here. And as you can see, mine is rather short, so it's not gonna be too long, but that's all right because that's all we need. So knowing it's automatic, it's going to be having to be shaped a little bit better. So it's on 8 bars because it's automatically 8 bars. If you picked a song that's really long, you're going to want to use automatic, okay? So keep it on automatic. But because mine is so short, it's, it needs to be fixed a bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to the plus symbol, and I'm going to go back to 8 bars, and I'm going to turn off automatic, and I'm going to bring it down to, as we can see right here, 4 bars would probably be the best. So I'll bring it down to 4 bars, and that shrank my song. Let's make it 3 bars. Hold on. 3 bars. Okay, so we shrank it down. You guys can take this little line. This is where it plays. So you want to drag it to the beginning, and then you can hit play to listen to your sound effect. That is it. Your sound effect is done. Your ringtone is done. Now we just need to get it to that section in our settings app. We need to get it to where we can pick it as one of our ringtones. So how do we do that? This is very simple. You're going to want to go ahead and click the top left little paper button. This is going to be this little paper button right here where I'm wiggling my little mouse. Go ahead and press on that. It's going to hit say it's saving. It'll save it to your recent files. Okay, it's right here. It's called My Song 7 for me. It may be called something for you, My Song 1 or My Song 2. You're going to want to go ahead and press on the name so that we can rename it for ourselves. So I'm going to call it Oh No. Oh No sound effect, or Oh No text tone. So I have Oh No text tone. I'm going to hit enter so it saves it, and I've changed the name of the file. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and hold down or right click if you're using a mouse. You're going to want to hold down so that it brings up this page right here so that we can choose to share it. So again, if I'm on my iPad like this, I'll just hold it down until it brings it up, or if I'm on my mouse, I'll right click, brings it up right here. You're going to want to press share. Once you've pressed share, you can now export it as a ringtone. Oh yes, press ringtone, and it's going to bring it up here. You can change the name once again, make it a little bit better. So I'll do that real quick. Oh No text tone. There we go, all caps. And then we can send it to our ringtones. All right, so we just want to leave that be right here, and all we do is hit export, and it says it's exporting as a ringtone, and we wait. Immediately does it. It says you can use the sound as immediately, so you can open up your settings from here, or you just hit OK. I'm gonna hit OK so I can show you guys where to find these. So I hit OK. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to my home screen. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to my settings. And then I'm going to go all the way down to sounds right here. Sounds. I'm going to open sounds. Once I've opened my sounds, I have the option here for ringtone, text tone, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, airdrops. I think there's more on iOS, not as many on iPad. So let's say we want to make our ringtone, right? We're going to go ahead and open ringtone. So basically, in order to find your created homemade ones, they're going to be right at the top, right here. As you guys can see, I have Jarvis check email, which is another one I made, and then Oh No text tone. That's the one I just made. So I'm going to go ahead and press on Oh No text tone. You should hear it play a little bit, and that saves it as your text tone or your ringtone. So whenever somebody calls you and you don't have your phone on silent, which usually not a lot of people have it on vibrate as often as they do on off or whatever, you're going to hear Oh No text tone whenever you play it. And that's going to make it really awesome. It's going to be completely custom. You've just created your own text tone and ringtone completely for free. And it was really easy, wasn't it? I mean, I didn't think it was too hard, but hopefully you didn't think it was too hard. I mean, you just go into GarageBand, you go over here, you make sure you browse your items from your Files app, you pick the sound you want, you pick it, it goes into here, you find it here, you drag it out, you put it in. Make sure that your plus sign is on automatic before you do any of this, because otherwise if you have one that's longer than 8 sections, it'll cut it off, and then to fix it, all you would have to do is just drag it to make it longer or edit it like this. As I said, GarageBand can be really complicated for most people. A lot of people will make music on here, podcast, whatever. I do it. I do all that on here. It's a great app, even if you're just doing this for fun. GarageBand is the app to have for a lot of things. So yeah, check that out, guys. That is actually it. That is the tutorial. Like, it's a really easy project. I said Zedge is awesome for picking out anything. I mean, you can literally look up Star Wars, I can't type, Star Wars ringtone, you know, and I searched it up, and you can actually, up here at the top, you can pick through ringtones to sort it out. And we have all these ringtones here. Literally all these are completely free and easy to download, and all you gotta do is send it to GarageBand and you can hear it. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial video. That's literally it. Once again, if you did enjoy what you saw, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. But that's going to be it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful 2021. Once again, follow the Instagram page down below. Links are all there for everything. Zedge.net. Check that out. GarageBand. And yeah, hope you guys have a great time. Hope you enjoy your ringtones and text tones, and I hope you had a lot of fun as well. But that's going to be it for today, guys. So I'll see you later. Peace.